Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change Instagram password. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to open Instagram. Once you open Instagram, simply need to click on profile picture in the right bottom corner, and then you need to click on three bars in the top right, and then you need to click on settings. And once you are in setting, you simply need to click on security, and then you need to click on password, and then you need to put your current password here that you updated, and then you enter your new password here. Then you need to re-enter your new password here. Once you re-enter your new password, you simply need to click on the tick mark on the top right, and once you click on that, your old password will be changed. So this is a process by which you can change Instagram password. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.